Meaning of guiding.
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 Guiding. Guiding refers to the act of providing direction, support, or advice to someone to help them achieve a specific goal or objective. It can involve actively leading or directing individuals or groups towards a desired outcome, or simply offering guidance or suggestions to help them navigate challenges or make decisions. Effective guiding can result in improved performance, increased confidence, and greater clarity of purpose for those being guided. It can also help foster trust, respect, and stronger relationships between the guide and those they are guiding, leading to more successful outcomes in the long term.